Good morning, Environmental Science. This is Monday, February the 1st, and we are back at your field plot area, which is our outdoor monthly field experience. What you see on the screen at this particular time is the data logger to the left, which we'll use to collect data for temperature and light intensity, and then you have your lab sheet to the right, which is part of what you'll submit every month. Let's go ahead and pull in so we can look at both. So first of all, let's look at the lab sheet. So today, as you can see, you always want to do what's called the testable question and hypothesis. They have a format that we've been practicing over the course of the first semester, now second semester. Remember that our independent variable is a look here at this area in terms of the effects of some type of disturbance. So we mechanically tilled last semester half of the plots to disturb the site, and the other half were left alone. What we're doing is collecting data, and you're doing that by using the video as well as the digital images to identify how the plant community, what we call the producers, their number and their variety, their biodiversity, has been affected by that mechanical tilling. So you're going to take care of that at the top. You can see I've got the date already in place. It is currently 10:25 a.m. this Monday, and now let's go and take a look at the data logger, which there we go. Now you can actually see a little bit better. I'm having to lean over, see if I can stay away from the shadow. There we go. Temperature is at the top. We record, if we can, in Celsius. That's the system of science, to use the metric system. The number at the bottom, very stable on a very cool, cloudy day, is light intensity. There's not a specific unit associated with that number based on the way that LabQuest was designed. Let's go ahead and carefully pull back and give you a chance to see the site 1 month later. So there's one of our control plots. I'm going to begin to start to pan down, and you can see now there's a treatment plot, there's another control plot, another treatment plot. So we have it split. This is also designed to give you, through the video, a chance to look at the environmental conditions. When we do field study work, we almost always do in fact take time to record what we call the conditions at the time we collected data. I'm now going to pull back over, and we're going to move to the other side of this field study plot. So a total of 8 total plots. Half of them are ones that we've left alone. We call those control plots. They represent the natural systems. We now also see on this other side is 2 treatment plots. Those are the ones that were mechanically disturbed. They represent a type of succession. I'm going to go ahead and pull back and give you a chance to see what you probably can guess just by looking at the lack of light intensity, right? So kind of a typical midwinter cloudy day. I'm actually between rain showers this day. Obviously you can see that the site has trees along the back of it. Just a quick reminder that your time is spent on what you see in the plots, not which is between the stakes, not what you see in this pan of the site. All right, very good. We'll have pictures for you to complete the January field study lab sheet. They'll be in and embedded in the Google Doc that comes with this every month.